The day is upon us. It is NFL Draft Day, so why not pop one of these? Looking for Blaster exclusive blue parallels, which is there's like a sticker that's on top of the box here underneath the plastic. I'm kind of curious to see what was under here. 6 packs per box, 5 cards per pack, 1 autograph per blaster. I don't know if you can see that. It's actually like it's a sticker. Let's do some work on this, shall we? That's funny. So, supposed to be red parallels in the blasters, but I guess they're blue now. Okay. Put this down here so you can see the cards, not me. No one cares about me. There we go. Pack 1. Okay. Barry Sanders, Khalil Mack, a Herschel Walker Prizm, Adam Thielen, and Deshaun Watson. I'm not buying this for guys who were in college like 5-10 years ago. Like, you know, trying to get stuff of new guys. So, I mean, it's cool that those guys are in the product and all, but come on. We do have an autograph here. Trubisky. Saquads. Hopkins and Watt. And from the University of Alabama, Christian Miller is our autograph. Okay, I have to do a little research and see if that's a good one or not. Luck, Breeze, Tebow, Rodgers, and a Blaster exclusive blue parallel. I thought they were red. Of Deebo Samuel. So we don't have a regular base card yet of a 2019 draft pick. 3 packs in. This stuff sucks. Joe Namath. Sure. Phillip Rivers, Marcus Allen, and a Crusade of Kelvin Harmon, Crusade Prizm. I thought I was getting draft pick cards. That's what I thought I was getting. Pat Mahomes, Roger Staubach, Anthony Miller, some freaking waste of time mascot again. Emmitt Smith. Tom Brady. Troy Aikman. Carson Wentz. Peyton Manning. And a blue Blaster exclusive parallel Shore Michael Irvin. So, let me get this right. Features a 300 card base set featuring 200 draft picks, prisms, silver autographs, 70 base, 35 draft picks, prisms, silver, 10 mascots, 10 All-Americans, 10 stained glass. Sure. So I guess the draft picks are really only in autograph form, which I did not know. So there's no base draft pick rookies in this. All right. So we got a product called Panini Prizm Draft Picks, 2019 Panini Prizm Draft Picks, right? Here are the 2019 guys I got. There's one. There's one. And there's one. All this. Veterans in college uniforms. Not what I thought I was getting. Boo.